So it's the first day of school. First day of senior year. Y'all are just gonna sit down and get ready with me. Alright, so the school year, my plan was, you know, to like have a clear face. Like when I got to school, you know, show everybody like, you know, I'm not disgusting. And that didn't work with all the stress of thinking of going to school. And there's like 20 new kids and I'm freaking hungry. Oh my god. It's like almost 7. I have to leave in like 20 minutes, which means I have to be ready in like 15 because my mom wants to take pictures. This looks nasty. Help. I can't. I can't get my eyebrows right. I don't even have a gradient. Bruh, Shape Tape can't even fix these. By the way, I'm recording right now, so.
Okay. Hello, Kenzie's YouTube.
Hello to the, oh my gosh, my freaking camera's dying.
Better make an outro.
Oh, I mean, it's 8 minutes. I can edit that, right? I'm just gonna keep going till it dies.
Maybe you'll say something.
The huge pimple on the side of my face, like by my ear, went down.
Can't relate.
And like, all I can say is like, thank you, Mario Badescu, for like making acne products. Wait, is it bright out already? Oh god, it is, isn't it?